Level 1, Word 5, Candor. Welcome, word stuffers, to another episode of Word of the Day with Benjaja. That's me. You're here at this show because I hope you want to learn a word, and you're gonna learn a word. It's like a guaranteed thing. Thank you for coming by. Like, comment, subscribe to help this show keep rolling. Let's keep going. Whoa, Padron. We're not stopping this train. No, we're a la carte. If this is your first time here, we're using this book called Verbal Advantage by Charles Harrington Elster, who we have dubbed our Knight of Words. This is 10 easy steps to a powerful vocabulary. So without any more preliminary nonsense, let's just get right into it, shall we? Word 5, candor, candor, yes, candor. Frankness, openness, sincere expression. Synonyms include straightforwardness, outspokenness, forthrightness, and ingenuousness. Candor is the noun. The adjective is candid, frank, open, sincere. The candid person expresses his or her thoughts frankly and openly, with no hesitation. The forthright person speaks directly to the point, plainly and sometimes bluntly, in a no-nonsense manner. The ingenuous person speaks honestly and sincerely with no hint of evasiveness or deception. Candor. See, that's what I like about this book, is like we just learned candor, but we also learned ingenuous, being honest and sincere, and then we also learned forthright, directly to the point, and we also learned candid, which is frankly and openly. I would say that I'm a very candid person. You want to talk to me about life sciences, or perhaps the planetary system, or even my emotions, I'll tell you everything, all right? I'm wide open. With eyes wide open. I'm going to try to define it on my own, in my own words. Candor. Someone who's bearing it all, the fruits of their thoughts and their feelings, and sharing them with their community leaders and community members, really. Okay, that's candor. Like, comment, subscribe right now to this channel. That really helps out a lot of things, and I really appreciate it. Come back tomorrow for our next word. If you want to know more about, there's 10 levels that are all getting increasingly more challenging with the words. You're gonna get at, I said 1,500 words you're gonna learn. You're gonna learn 3,500 according to Sir Charles Harrington. Oh, that's the show. I'll see you, Mignot. When you're making plans, just make sure that the plans work for your schedule. All right, bye.